This tutorial demonstrates how to process transactions done in multiple currencies. That is, you say you were invoiced in one currency but had to make a payment in another currency. How do you do this? In this case, we got an invoice for 126 US dollars. In Canada, we do transactions in Canadian dollars. First, I enter my transactions. So I'm looking at my transaction date. Then I enter my supplier, select my expense. Then I add the amount, and it's $126. But note something here, the invoice is saying it is in US dollars. So I'll have to change from, and this, my default currency is Canadian dollars. So I'll have to change to another currency. So I select other, and I look up the currency of interest, USD, and there it is. So I select US dollars, and then I'll put the exchange rate in. And what is this exchange rate? The exchange rate is using the foreign currency as reference here. In other words, $1 in that foreign currency, one of that currency, how much is it equivalent to in my default, in this case Canadian currency? So $1 is 1.3 Canadian dollars. And quite often you'll find this information on your credit card statement or your bank statement from which the payment was made in the foreign currency. So it's $126 is in US dollars. So let's select US dollars, and the exchange rate is 1.3001. I'll add that, and then I'm going to make the payments, and in making the payment I'm going to add, and the payment is the exact $126, and of course using the same exchange rate, add that, and the transactions will be converted to Canadian dollars at the exchange rate that was specified. Update accounts, and there you go. Congrats. Now you can process transactions in multiple currencies.